What name?
It's Côte d'Azur.
Ma'am? I don't know where it is.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I don't know how to text you because I don't. I only have internet on my phone. I cannot text you.
Sorry, can you
Oh my God.
can you repeat the name of the hotel, ma'am? Because I'm at the pin location already, ma'am. What's the name of the hotel?
It's Côte d'Azur.
The subscriber cannot be reached.
Hello.
Hello po, good
I'm
afternoon.
in the front.
NANI?
No! God, please, no! No!
I only can speak English. I'm in
Bullshit,
the front
not good.
of the hotel.
What hotel, ma'am?
Sorry. D'Azur. I don't know what to wait. Just
What's the name of the hotel, ma'am?
because I've been to the CR.
Hotel?
Yes.
What
the
hotel,
name
ma'am?
of the hotel is
Excelsior?
wait.
Excelsior, ma'am? That's the only hotel near in the pin location, ma'am. What name?
It's Côte d'Azur.
Ma'am? I don't know where it is.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I don't know how to text you because I don't. I only have internet on my phone. I cannot text you.
Sorry, can you
Oh my God.
can you repeat the name of the hotel, ma'am? Because I'm at the pin location already, ma'am. What's the name of the hotel?
It's Côte d'Azur.
Azure?
Oh, it's Côte d'Azur. Maybe are you in the front of Goldilocks? In the near of Goldilocks? In the mainstream there's Goldilocks.
Yes, I see the Goldilocks, ma'am.
Yeah? Then I will come to Goldilocks.
Okay, ma'am. I will go to the
Okay, see you.
I will go to the Goldilocks.
Okay. Can you make your hand up, please? Maybe. No, I see you. So look to the right. I'm.
Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
This one.
Thank you for waiting.
It's okay, ma'am. Your pin is there, ma'am. At the other side. That's why.
no, I'm sorry.
It's okay, ma'am. Reserve shower cup, ma'am. Here, ma'am. Yeah, let me, ma'am. Okay. Do you hear me?
Yes.
There's a mic, ma'am. Let's go. Be careful of using your phone, ma'am. Huh?
I am from Germany.
I said be careful by using your phone, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
You said you came from Germany, right?
Oh,
How long have you been here in the Philippines?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay.
And tomorrow, 29, I will go back to Germany.
You know how to speak Tagalog, ah?
Yeah, my Filipino is very bad. My parents are, but I don't really speak the language.
Okay. Are you half Filipina?
Yeah.
Okay. What other Filipino words do you know, ma'am?
Huh?
What other Filipino words do you know? Tagalog words.
Kamatis.
Ma'am?
Kamatis.
Kamatis. You know what it is?
Tomato.
Okay.
I only know a song from a singer. He is it's Tagalog, like Juan. I really don't know what is he singing about.
One?
Juan.
Buwan. Okay.
Yeah, like moon, right?
Oh, right. That's moon. Can you sing just a few lines, ma'am?
Sa ilalim ang puting ilaw.
That's good, ah. Even though you're just weak staying here, you can adapt easily, ah. I will teach you something in Filipino. This is popular here in Philippines. When you love somebody, you say mahal kita.
Yes.
You know that?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
This is the only sentence I know in Tagalog.
Tagalog. Every foreigner here is trying to learn that word.
Yeah.
That's a basic word. It's always been using by everyone. When you love somebody, just say it. Because when they say it in Tagalog, it's more romantic than saying I love you. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes.
It's more romantic than saying I love you. Oh, mahal kita.
Yeah.
Huh? Huh? No, this is for you. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. Yeah.